Hey guys, welcome back. An update on the Dodge Journey. I said I would give one. It's been about 4 or 5 weeks since I did the fix with the ground wire that went down there to the starter. Ground wire, I'll call it, kind of on the block of the engine. I'll link the video here so you can go back and see all that. There you can see the wire comes through right there. That has fixed it. It's been, like I said, 4, 5, maybe 6 weeks since I made that video. I have not had a no start. I have not charged the battery at all, so I know it's not the battery. And I have not had the slow crank. Also, a secondary problem that I think might be fixed, I may have to make another update video on this, was when I would, here, let me give you a visual. When I would go to unlock my car sometime, the alarm would go off and the horn would go off and it'd make a bunch of noise and I'd have to take the key out and unlock the door and get in. That has not happened either, but that one doesn't happen as often. So I think maybe it was related to that. I'm not sure. Like I said, maybe I'll update here in another time period, not sure what, and let you know what happened. But this is my update. So if you have the slow crank, long crank, even I haven't had a long crank. Sometimes I'd go to start it and it for a long time and before it would finally start. That one's gone. So any kind of cranking or starting issue, this appeared to fix it. And I'll just review one more time what I did. I put this ground wire in the back here. This goes down to the battery, so all my grounds touch really good here. And then snaked it on around. Let me come around here. You're not gonna be able to see exactly. And I added it next to that ground wire right there. Let me focus. Right there where that bolt's holding those two grounds together. That one comes from the starter, I believe, and goes to the engine block, or I guess it's the transmission. And that's where I put my other one, so we have a good ground all the way through. Well, anyway, guys, that's just a quick update. Really happy with this. This really makes this car much easier to drive. I mean, don't get me wrong, I still don't really like it. It has a lot of other issues, but it's definitely more trustworthy since I've done that. So I'm not afraid to jump in, drive around, and not have to bring my jump pack, you know, all this other stuff. So I feel pretty good about it. Anyway, guys, that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching. Try this out. Super cheap. Got that at Walmart. That wire for like $10 or something. Worth the fix. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching.